Welcome to our automation testing channel. Today I will talk about the hooks and the fixtures. Here is the key points. Understand the test lifecycle hooks. Build a reusable test setup fixtures. Reduce duplication, improve maintainability. Enable scalable test framework design. What are hooks? Hook equal lifecycle methods that run before, after tests. Here is the hook, and here is when it runs. Before all, once before all tests. After all, once after all tests. Before each test. Use cases, login setup, test data preparation, navigation to base URL, cleanup actions. What are fixtures? Fixtures equal reusable test contents or setup. Think of a fixture as reusable objects or environmental injected into tests. Built-in Fixture, Playwright provide page, browser, context, request. Fixture and hooks. Here a feature, here compare the hook and the fixture. Scope, global or per test. Per test. Reusability, limited. High. Flexibility, no. High. Data injection, no. Yes. Let's look at the application we want to test. This is a golf course page. I want to test add golf course. So click add golf course, need a login. So each of the add need the login. So after login, you see here is login and can go to add the golf course. Another I want test for the edit golf course or delete golf course. This is need login. Also need login for edit or delete golf course. If not login, no link show up. So for today's test, first we need login. So login we can use the hook login. Also we can use fixture login. Let's look at the hook script. Here is hook script. You see here, generally we have the same test description, but here we can see each test. You see here we have the before all, like before we introduce. This is like I just want before all, just log this text, and here is before each. Before each, I want to do for the login. So this is the login step for the golf course delete something. And here is you see each of the step here. Here is after each. After each, just give the text like the cleanup after each test. This is for the hook before all, before each, after each. So here is a test. I read the test here. For search golf course, we can use like login or not login. We can do so. This test can work for both login or not log in. So before each for this test is log in and run. Another test is add golf course. Add golf course need log in. So after log in and do this follow step, add golf course, like this one. First, I run this test. You see, this is also log in, finish. Okay, this is for search golf course. And add golf course, let me do this one. Just go this one and yeah, you finish add golf course. Another, we look at how to use the fixture. So under the text folder, I add another folder is called fixtures. Under this folder, fixtures, add the script loginFixture.js. So you can see here is write the login function. So because for each of the tests we want, we need a login first and then do the operation. So this is use the fixture do. So here is a step for the fixture file. And another is the fixture specs.js file. Here is I just add two tests. One is add golf course. Another is delete golf course. Because these two tests need first log in, then can do edit, do delete. So let me run the test. This time I just run the test, not debug. You say finish. And another test is delete. You can see here, I just look back again. You see here is use different, like we use the page, also use log in page. So here is after, like each of the delete test, each of the test before have the use this login step. So use the fixture. So that is for the delete. Delete is after login and go to this step and then click something, click delete button and delete. Yeah, it's a delete finish. So today we introduce the hook and fixture. Hook is just can, you see here is just can put the step in the before each. So this is special for this test script. If you put the fixture can use for each of the tests, so that flexible and also reusable. Yeah, so this use the fixture. You can, depend on your condition, decide use the hook or use the fixture. Thank you for watching the video. Hope today's content can help you. If you want to follow our updates, please subscribe. See you next time.